Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vidisha's Creations. In this video, as I told you, I will make one portrait, one face. So this face you have already learned in a face study group. So this is the face. Now we'll start with acrylic painting. Okay. So first you need some brushes. I'm using this type of brush. Otherwise, if you have round brushes, then you can use round brush. And this time I'll use this color also and this color also. Okay, so first I'll use burnt sienna to make all the lines, because if you are using any face, if you are using any picture, always trace the lines with burnt sienna only. Okay, so I'm starting. This is like, then you can see properly. And if you're using abstract painting, then you can start directly on the canvas. And if you are using any kind of portrait or any kind of other painting, just try to make first on paper, then you can use it, then you can use on the canvas. Okay, otherwise if you will directly on the canvas, your canvas will get destroyed, your canvas will get dirty and you cannot control your color. So always make the lines with the brown color, then your design will be clear, and after that you can make anything very easily. Okay, so I'm using burnt sienna to make the outlines. This is the neck portion. Okay, like this. Now you can clearly visible all the design and pattern. This is the face. This is first face which I am teaching you. This is very easy. Then you can make it like this. All the eyebrows, eyes, everything you have to make it with brown color first. Brown means burnt sienna. All the lines, and after that you can make it, fill it proper color. Everything I am doing with brown, all the shapes, all the features. Okay, everything I am doing with this is the very typical Indian face. Okay, now this is the face which we are going to color today. Okay, now first of all we will use this flesh tint. You will get it in the this box, Faber-Castell fabric color. You will get it very ready color to make the face. So first you have to use this color to fill this portion. Okay, so I am using directly color because it is little bit liquid, so I'm not making anything with water. I am doing the simple stroke I am doing. I am taking little bit water because water is not there and it is getting thick, that's why I am using. Otherwise no need to take water because it is already little bit watery. Just you have to fill it full face portion with flesh tint, with round brush, with filbert brush, with the flat brush, which you are comfortable, you can use that brush. Just leave the eyes portion, leave the eyebrow portion, leave the lips, leave the nose, and just fill it full portion. After that we'll make the shade. See, in the watercolor, when you will start watercolor, that techniques is different to make the face, so don't mix both the techniques. Acrylic technique is like this. Sometimes I always see people are getting confused to make face and they apply the watercolor technique on the canvas when they are using acrylic color. Okay, but see, just fill it full portion with flesh tint, or you can make the skin color. If you don't have flesh tint, then you can make skin color like you have to take little bit white. Okay, after that you have to make little bit of burnt sienna and little bit of yellow color, then you will get skin color. Okay, just fill it. Now you can see proper every portion like eyes, nose and lips. Okay, so finish it. Okay, now let it get dry. Till then I am using black color to fill this hair portion. I am using this much. This is the hair accessory, you can leave it. I am not using very much dark color, I am using this much, and I am spreading this color. Somewhere it is light, somewhere it is, see, I am taking a little bit white color also to make the, like this. If excess color is there, then you can take cloth and remove your excess color here. Okay, no need to be scared. Take a little bit water and spread it, because it is tube color, so you need water also. Okay, this is the hair portion which we have done. We'll give some shade on that, but once it will get dry, then we will start shading. Okay, make the line outside of the hair portion. Okay, now let it be. Now we'll take 0 number brush. Okay, and we'll take a little bit water and burnt sienna, and first make all the features with burnt sienna. Okay, like this. I'm mixing the color properly because no lump should be there, and I'm taking the 0 number brush. Okay, and now I'm making the always use brown color to make the outline. Just make the eyebrows, make this portion, this line you can make it dark like this much only. Okay, just make the all the lines. Okay, make this eyeballs lines also. Like this. Okay, now what I will do, I'll take this brush, any brush, the flat brush, because you have to do shading. Just wipe it and take some brown color. Okay, and just doing here to make the shading, and just you have to spread it like this, because you need to make the shade at the outer of the face line like this. Okay, it is very compulsion to all of you. It is, you have to make all the lines, corners lines you have to make, and spread it like this, then you can show the shade. Okay, like this. And just spread it. You can make some lines over there. and here also you can make it dark, because this is the eye portion, this is the eyebrow portion. And take a very little color and just fill it like this. Okay, and just make this portion dark. You have to make this portion light. If it is not light, then take a little bit of white color. Okay, if it is not dark, just do it here. Take the white color and just make it some forehead portion. And make this portion white. Always it is white because light is coming now. So forehead portion is the highlighted portion of the face. And you can take a little bit white color and make here also. Nose is also upper side, so it should be white like this. See, this is the highlighted portion. Now I am taking a little bit of burnt sienna because my burnt sienna is almost over. So I am taking a little bit again. Okay, and mixing with the water like this and just fill it like this with brown. You have to show the depth of the eyes because eyes is very important portion in the face. So always remember one thing, if you are making face, so you have to show the depth also. You cannot trace the eyes, nose and lips and just leave it. No, you have to show the depth, whatever it is eyes, whatever it is nose. So you can make it here dark. Okay, you can make it here dark. This portion should be dark, this much. Okay, like this. Got it? Now take the little bit of red color. It is dry, so I am taking again very little and I am making, see here it should be very original, so I am making this thing like this. Okay, again I am taking a very little white color. Okay, and I am just mixing here little bit of red. I am wiping my brush here and taking a little bit red and make this line. It should be like this. Okay, and just make it takes a time to make the shade, desired shade which you want. Okay, like this. Now again I'm doing on the eyebrow. I'm making, just make it like this. It should be broad here and just make it okay like this. You can make it broad here, this much. The eyebrow is coming this much, both the eyebrows should be same. So this is like this. Now I'm taking black color again. At this time we need to be careful because I am making the eyes, so you need black 0 number brush. Okay, and I'm just making like this much. Okay, this much. You have to make the eyes like this. No need to take a very much color, just take a very little color and it should be flowy. It should be, see, it is getting spread because I think this portion is not wet, that's why it is getting spread, but don't worry, we'll manage it. See, I am doing here, it is wet, but this is looks natural, so I am doing here continuously and just making little bit black color here. In the face, eyes is the most important portion and it will take a time, so you have to give some patience to it. Okay. You can take color and make this portion black because I have to show some Kajrari type of aankhein, kajal eyes, so like this. Okay, you can make it like this, it is not very big deal. Okay, now I'm taking a little bit of brown color and doing here. Okay, like this. Now you are able to see? Yes, you are able to see. Sometime I have to check na whether my camera is working or not. Okay, now take the black color and just make, you can make in this portion, you have to make a very less eyelashes because at the down, but at the same time you have to show here very natural, not so dark, just make it like this. Okay, you can make it dark. Now you need to take a very little blue color because I have to show the depth of the eyes, that's why I am taking very little blue color. See, I am doing this much only, see. Okay, and just make it here blue color. It's very little, just you have to show the depth, that's why I am taking blue color this much. Otherwise, if you don't want to make it, you can leave this process, but it is good. You can use green color also if you want to. You can use red color also. Okay, now I am taking again flesh tint because I forget to make this thing. The eye portion, sorry, ear portion, I totally forget, but right now I am making. Now I am taking 0 number brush. Okay, and again I am taking burnt sienna, is very important color to make face. Okay, I am wiping my and just I am making the very light, no need to do dark, because if you want to show the original, then this portion you can make dark. You can make this portion dark little bit, here you can make it dark. Just I am putting some burnt sienna here like this because I have to show the depth of the painting. I'm using my flat brush to do this depth. Okay, like this. Now you have to show some depth here also, this portion and this portion, just make it like this. Flesh tint also, make it like this. Again you can make like this, little bit. Okay, this much. Now just take some brown color here, okay, and make some shade here. I'm making some shade with brown color here to make some originality, like this. Because you have to show the originality. Black color here is okay in the normal life, it is very good, but when you are making anything, just make some shade with burnt sienna. Okay, now I am taking yellow color, a very little yellow color. Put some yellow color here because I am making, see, I'm mixing with yellow ochre and yellow, and making this accessory. Sorry, कुछ कैमरे में डिस्टर्बेंस की वजह से this is disconnected and I didn't show this and this pattern. So I am telling you what I did. I am taking yellow color and just make it this portion and little bit here, because no need to go for the detailing of this, because I have to focus on the face. So I am doing this thing like this. Okay, this thing only. After that, what I have done, I am taking green color. Okay, I took the green color, which is like this. Okay, and spreaded the water and just make the background like this, because it is for only ki any paintings there, so background should be there, that's why. Otherwise no need, it is for just like that. Okay, main focus is the face, which is already done, and just you can make it everything green, or you can make two colors at the same times. Okay, like this, just make it like this. I'm doing the background, it will look nice. Just I'm doing, you can use any other brush. I'm using this filbert brush to make the background like this. At the edges it can be dark, and just spread it like this. Okay, okay, here it can be dark, you can spread it. Like this. Okay, so first face has done. Now second face will be little different. I hope you are learning something, you are improving yourself. This is the acrylic face. Okay, so see you in the next episode. Till then, bye bye, take care.